create, like, throughout the series, I'm gonna try to create like 90s looks or 90 themes look, or like from TV shows. Like, I always love their outfits and stuff, so I'm gonna try to recreate. And this one's from Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. Yeah, I'm gonna see throughout what I can create. But yeah, this is the first day, this Tyra Banks look, and I hope y'all like it. Okay guys, so I tried to do my hair like her, so I basically like put it in a ponytail, and I'm following like the Tyra Banks one. I'll put the picture right here. But yeah, so my hair is like kind of a different color. My hair is like brown, and mine is reddish, whatever. And I put it in the ponytail with the little two things out, and I try to do like a little 90s liner type thing. And then I have this cropped turtleneck. It's not cropped in the song, so I'm just like making it cropped. And this I got this from the thrift store. Also got this little flannelist thing from the thrift store. I don't have anything similar to hers, so yeah. And then the bottom half are these jeans. So yeah, these are thrifted jeans, and this belt is also thrifted. Sorry that everything is thrifted. I know this belt is like originally from Hot Topic, so yeah, this is what it looks like. But this shirt is originally from Gap. This is, I don't know what it's originally from, but you can find it in flannels anywhere. This is originally from Hot Topic, and these jeans are from NYC, New York and Company, I think, originally. But I got all these from the thrift store, and not at the same time, at different times. But yeah, hope you guys like this look. I really tried hard on this. Yeah, so on to the next one. Okay, so this one's the next one. Like, I try to do my hair like shorter. It doesn't look right, kind of, but I'm trying to make it shorter. Okay, and I just bought this little tank from the thrift, and this is from Urban Outfitters. I don't have like a striped tank top thingy, but this one's cropped and stuff. And this is from like the Seinfeld one. It's a jumper. Let's see if I can show you. Yeah, it's a jumper. So yeah, it's like, it comes pretty far down. So yeah, this is the outfit for this one. Yeah, this one was really simple to do. I'm gonna try to recreate all the pictures. So, oh yeah, I should put it right here. I don't know if I already put it up. I might have put it up. If not, it's right here. And yeah, then you'll see the picture already too, side by side. So, whew. Okay, for this one, I have this Nike shirt and some biker shorts. These are some biker shorts, and then I just have, I have this tank top that I want to put over, and this tank top is from Forever 21. It's like a little crop tank top. And this one is from Clueless. So yeah, I'm just recreating this outfit from Clueless. Hers, I think, is a little bit longer. And like, she was posing like this, and she had like a little bag. I'm gonna use this bag. Mine is like this I got from the thrift store. It's like a camera bag, but hers is like a little small, little cute bag. So let's make this shorter. Oh, this one's pretty inexpensive too. So Forever 21, got this from the thrift store, yeah. And I got my biker shorts from like Santee Alley. It's an LA like place where it's like really cheap stuff. So yeah, or you can get biker shorts from anywhere, Pretty Little Thing, anywhere, you know, black biker shorts. And this little purse thingy is from what is it called? The thrift store again. Okay, let's. Oh, her hair is like. Her hair is kind of like the Tyra Banks. Dude.